Hi guys, it's Ann Crafty Kimchi. Welcome back to my channel. I am back with a small little haul. I did go to the expo in Edison, oh not Edison, in New Jersey. I forgot which town it was. I'm from New York. So I attended the Scrapbook Expo with Wanda, who's Wandy Sweets, and we had a great time. We took a class together, and although I really feel like it may have been a little rushed, I wish it was a little longer. Her and I concluded we did learn something. So we're gonna just take the positive and go with that. Other than that, the expo was a lot smaller than I remember in previous years. I think there's a lot of vendors who weren't just there anymore, but nonetheless, it was a lovely time hanging out with my gal pal Wanda, and her and I always just have a great time. And I'm just gonna show you some of the stuff I picked up. I didn't really buy a lot, to be honest. I kind of forced myself towards the end. And I had some items that I just like, I was like, oh, I'll come back for this. I'll just buy this when I come back. Anyways, I did a make and take, and this was the make and take, and this is from the Ton. And I'm not much of a stamper or blender, or I like, as much as blending I do is probably vintage photo and just the edges of like items to give it like a more vintage edge, but that is as far as inking. Now, I was mind blown from this make and take because you guys, this was I think 5 stencils and done in layers, and I just can't believe just how easy and elevated this piece is. Like, this is something, if I was to turn this into a card, which I tend to do, was like, wow, you know, like, you created this. And I kept going to the booth and I was like, should I buy it? But then I was thinking about all the additional costs I would have to buy, the blending tools, the stamps, which I don't have, and I decided to just take a back burner and just like stick with what you know. But I was really floored with them. The name of the store is the Ton Stamps. If I haven't mentioned that before, you should definitely check them out. Honestly, I've never seen them before, and I was really pleasantly surprised. Their products were well made, and they had dies that can go with this, and it cuts out kind of like the white inside this card. So really, like, it's just wow. It was a wow moment for me, and I had like a back and forth. But anyways, I thought I'd share that with you, and let's get into this haul. So I did pick up this book binding. It's called a Wood Book Binding Guides, and it was $17. I did take the class, and it was very I guess a learning experience for me because I've never made mini albums. Wanda, on the other hand, she's kind of like a professional. She knows a lot more than I, so this was a little bit of a learning experience for me, but these were so essential for when you're making the book, and I had to pick this up. Her and I were like, that's a must for us. And let me see what else I picked up. I did go a little bit crazy at the Eyelet Outlet because that place is my jam, and I never get to. I don't like ordering from them online. I always feel like it gets a little expensive, so I just like to buy it in person. I'm just gonna get rid of my receipts and kind of scoot this to the side. I did pick up this little pearl strip. I just thought maybe in a little shabby upcoming project I can just add these to a project, and this was like $1, so I did pick that up. I did get a whole bunch of Halloween and Christmas brads because, you know, the season is coming, so I picked up these 2 ghosties. How stinking cute are these? They are so adorable, and you get, I hope you get 12, but yeah, they're so cute. I love them. And then I picked up, oh, these spiders. So cute. I did pick up these bats. And then the rest is Christmas. Okay. So I did get these little Christmas lights, but they would be fun. I did pick up these. These are the little Santa hats. Super fun. And then I got these balloons for maybe a birthday project. I picked up this is a travel theme one. There's cameras in here and some airplanes. I thought that this would be cute for like a round trip, and there's even a little suitcase in the back. I don't know if you can see that, but I thought this was a really fun set, and it's called Travel Breads, if you're wondering. I got a little pink. I don't know why, because I always seem to be out of the little pink ones. And these are perfect for my little suitcase that I love to create. And then I picked up these. These were like all in the dollar bin. This is some heart eyelets. And I thought these were fun for Valentine's Day projects. So that is it. I did buy this glass glitter, and this was $5. This was at that store Tall Mouse. And I thought this would be perfect for Christmas. I've always wanted to get like the German glitter, glass glitter. So I'm not sure if this is exactly the same thing, but look at that color. It is so pretty. And then last but not least, I got this because I had FOMO, Wanda bought it, and I had to get it. So this is from this Scrappy Boy card, and he was really fun. Him and I we were talking at the booth and chatting it up about like a boy design because I'm a boy mom. So I wanted some ideas. Him and I shared some ideas on like a fun card. This is so cute, you guys. There's so many great ideas, and I'll leave a little bit of clips. I wasn't able to take a lot of video of the expo because I was overwhelmed. What's new? There's a lot to see. There's a lot of people, and I just wanted to focus on my me time with Wanda. So I didn't get to do a lot of recording, but I'll leave the clips that I have down below if you're interested, if you stay this far. And that is it for my Scrapbook Expo haul, you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.